Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can write a product description on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. So here you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and discounts, online store, and lastly, point of sale. So right now, what you need to do guys is first of all, click on products. And then once you click on products, right here, you're going to find a list that includes all of the products that you have on Shopify. So right now, as you can see guys, I don't have any product yet. So I'm going to add a product. As you can see, guys, right now I added some products. So basically, guys, let's say now you want to add a description for your product. It's pretty easy. Just go to the product you want to add the description for, and then just go to the name of the product. Give it a click, and then you're gonna be right here in this menu. So basically, guys, right here you can edit all of the details related to the product, such as the product's name. And here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find the option to add a description. So right now, you can type a text that describes the product. You can also generate a text using AI right here. So, for example, I'm gonna type hat description, and then I'm going to click on generate. And then as you can see, guys, it will generate a good description for you. You can use the exact description or you can, for example, edit it. So I'm going to click on keep. And as you can see, guys, right now, if you want to save your changes, just click on save here in the top and then your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.